What's going on, guys and gals? Brad here for Leighton Sports Cards. I'm ripping one box of 2015 Panini National Treasures Baseball for Rich H. Good luck, Rich, man. Let's see what you got. NT Baseball, brother. Pretty thin pack there. Might be good. Hope it's good for you, man. Let's see. Bat Relic, 68 of 99, Joe Cronin to start it off. Jersey card, 44 of 99. That's Yu Darvish right there, right after it. Yu Darvish. Die cut jersey, 12 of 99, Josh Harrison, Pittsburgh. Die cut auto, 90 of 99. That is Joe Panic right there. There you go. Behind it is Jumbo Jersey Auto, 1 of 25. Look at that. James McCann. Not bad. Oh, sick patch behind it. Look at this. 18 of 49. 3 color patch auto. Brandon Finnegan. Nice. What's up, Brad? How you doing, man? Nice patch, brother. This one's very low numbered, too. 4 of 10. 2 color patch sticker auto. Eric Hosmer. There you go. Eric Hosmer. Redemption is card number 97. Baseball signature die cuts. Michael Yorkel Franco. There you go. And your last hit is the book, of course. 22 of 25. Look at that. 2 color old school jersey cut auto. Frankie Crosetti. Nice hit. There you go, brother. Not bad at all. Cool hit on the back. That will do it for your single box run of NT Baseball. We'll get that right out to you, Rich, and thank you for your purchase, as always, man.